Alright, so I haven't done a night review of this light from Forever Ad. It's the LP6 Baja Design light in the front. It's a kit. And then I have the lights down here from C3, which I'll link in the video how I installed these. So I wanted to show what it looks like at night. It's cold, it's starting to sleet and snow. So this is just normal beam, and this is the high beam. So we got that nice beam that shoots out straight, and then we still have our little angles that kind of go out to the sides of the roads. The other kits that install this light on the Challengers, it sucks the light back in, and you don't get this nice wide angle used from the actual side LEDs. So we'll do the high beam on, and then the floorboard lights, you can turn them on. But as you can see, you get a nice little angle here. So we'll actually turn the bike off, and you can see the floorboard lights, the amount of light that they actually spread out. So those are just the floorboard lights. And obviously, we can move them however we want to. And you can change from yellow to amber, or amber to clear on those. And even with just those lights on there, it's more than the stock light. So we'll come back here and turn our light back on. So with just these few Baja Design lights, you get all the light.